Hello my friends and welcome to my YouTube channel The Learning Vibe. So today going ahead in our lean manufacturing tutorial series, today we are going to learn about the lean tool which is known as OEE, that is overall equipment effectiveness. So let us start the video and learn this lean tool in very detail. So before going into the detailed video, let us first understand what we are going to learn in this video. Here we are going to learn about what is meant by OEE, what are the factors of OEE, then we have to understand simple calculations of OEE, then what is world-class OEE, what are 6 big losses in OEE, and at last we are going to study the benefits of OEE. So चलिए friends ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. So first, let us first understand simply what is meant by OEE. OEE is known as the overall equipment effectiveness, which is a golden standard for measuring the manufacturing productivity. How productive is your factory? How productive is your organization? This we can be calculated, or this we can be defined with the help of lean tool known as OEE. So basically, it helps in identifying the percentage of manufacturing time that is truly productive. At last, OEE will give one number, and that number indicates how effective is your manufacturing unit, how effectively is your manufacturing unit utilizing all the time products for the grade to achieve good productivity and efficiency. So simply, an OEE score of 100% means you are manufacturing only good parts as fast as possible with no stop time. So after calculation, if we get the OEE score as 100%, so it simply denotes that you are producing all the good parts, like defect-free products you are producing, that also very fast as possible and with very minimum time. In the other language, OEE means 100% quality. So when as I already explained you, good parts means 100% quality, as fast as possible means 100% performance, and with no stop time means 100% availability. So basically, OEE deals with these 3 important factors, that is quality, performance, and availability. So these 3 factors we are going to study very detail in subsequent video. So this is the simple definition or the simple highlight of OEE, that is OEE is equal to availability into performance into quality. This is the simple formula and the simple meaning of OEE. Hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा friends. Now we are going to understand what are the important factors of OEE. As I already mentioned, 3 factors are quality, availability, and the performance. So we will study these 3 factors step by step. So the first factor is availability. Availability of resources, availability of machine, availability of manpower. So whatever the availability aspect is there in your organization, you must try for improving. You should go for 100% availability. So learn the strategies to maximize the availability by minimizing the downtime and optimizing the scheduling. We have to go for 100% utilization, 100% availability of that particular aspect. If we are talking about the machines should be available for 100% whenever the running time of the factory is there. So we have to minimize the downtime. If we will minimize the downtime, automatically we can improve the available time of the machines. So for improving the availability, we have to commonly identify what are the equipment downtime and how we can remove that with the help of proper maintenance and proper replacement. So first factor is availability. Second factor is performance. We have to go for improving the performance of the factory. So we can improve the performance with the help of streamlining the processes by minimizing the changeover time, as well as optimizing the equipment speed and factors. So these are some of the important aspects with which we can enhance the performance of our company. And third factor is ensuring quality. We have to make sure that whatever goods coming out of the machine should be defect free, should be 100% quality. So we have to explore, we have to expand different methods to reduce the defects, minimize the defects, rework, waste, and ultimately improve the overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. So again, in one short, if I want to explain that, availability takes into account of unplanned and the planned stop. And availability score of 100 means the process is always running during the planned production time. Yes, this is very important, my dear friend. And availability score of 100%. If your availability score is 100%, it means that the process is running properly during the production time. During the production time, nothing has been stopped. Whether it may be unplanned stop or planned stop, nothing has been stopped, and it is available. It is running 100%. Second is performance. A performance score of 100% means when the process is running, it is running as fast as possible. Performance means availability is there, machine is running and running with very good speed, very fast. So it is doing very good performance. And the third aspect is quality. 100% means there is no defects in the garment. It is producing 100% quality. So OE takes into account all the losses. So these are all different losses like planned stop, unplanned stop, slow cycle time, small stop, defects, rework. So all are these some of the big losses for the OEE, and this we are going to study in further video. So OEE takes account of all these losses, and OEE score of 100% means you are manufacturing only good parts with very good possibility, availability, and with very small or no stop time. So this is the entire simple concept of OEE. Now let us understand one of the simple calculation of OEE. For example, let us suppose that a machine is supposed to run for 12 hours. There is a particular machine in the factory which is supposed to run for 12 hours. But because of some breakdown, it has run only for 11 hours. So from this, the availability would be 91.7%. Right. So from this statement, we can calculate the available time. And available time is 11%, ideal time is 12%. So the machine availability percentage is 91.7%. Second, to measure the performance of a machine, now let us understand a simple again one example. As we already discussed that the machine is supposed to run for 12 hours with the maximum production of 1,000 pieces per hour. So if 1,000 pieces per hour is produced in 12 hours, the maximum output of the day will be 12,000 pieces. But because that machine has produced only 11,500 pieces, so the performance has decreased. So from here we can calculate the performance score, and the performance score is 95.8%. We have to do simple percentage calculation. And the last is quality. If the machine is producing 1200 pieces in 12 hours and out of them 300 pieces are found to be defective, therefore the usable pieces will be only 11,700. So the quality score will be 97.5%. So in these three aspects, availability of machine, then your performance activity and your quality activity, in these three different aspects we have to calculate the things, and at last we can calculate the OEE index of that particular machine. So here in this we have to simply multiply availability into performance into quality. So we will get the OEE value as 85.7%. So this is the OEE index of that particular machine. So we should have the OEE index of each and every machine that are available in your company, and we should target for improving and enhancing the OEE index of each and every machine. होप आप लोगों को ये simple calculation समझ आया हो friend. Now we are going to understand what is world class OEE. So it is nothing but simply by defining the OEE percentage, OEE index, we can classify the world class OEE score. If your machine has 100%, if your factory has 100% score, then your factory is considered as a world class OEE score factory. If the OEE score is 85%, then it is a world class. 100% is perfect, 60% is typical, and 40% is low. So these are the different percentages of OEE, and accordingly there is a categories of your factory's capacity and capability. होप आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा फ्रेंड. Now let us understand what are the 6 big losses in OEE. As initial itself I have explained that there are some losses in this OEE concept. So the first is availability loss. In availability there are two aspects, unplanned stops and planned stops. Unplanned stops may be because of the machine failure, and planned stops because of some of the adjustment, rearrangement, setups, anything. But these are the two losses for availability, and which reduces the available time. Second is performance losses. It may be because of the small stops or slow cycles. If small stop is there, then it is like idling, or minor stops are there. Like small stops or minor stops we are taking for the operation. And the slow cycle means reducing the speed. Quality loss may be because of the process defect, because of the many rejects and rework. So for every factor, there are two different categories of losses, which results into reduced OE score. So if we improve these losses, like if we improve our equipment failure, if we reduce our equipment failure, and we improve our speed, improve our quality, defects, then we will definitely improve the OEs. That is valuable operating time we will improve, and which will definitely improve the OE of the machine. And at last, we are going to study the benefits of OEE. So benefits of OEE, like it helps to maximize the workforce productivity. Then it also helps you to remain competitive in the market. Helps to visualize perform very easily. Then again, it helps to manage your 6 big losses. It gives you an idea to achieve the ROI on your particular equipments and all, and show where you are improve manufacturing process, where you have to improve manufacturing process. This idea also you can get with the help of OEE. And at last, it also provide real-time targets. With that target, we can improve our factory performance, productivity, and every KPI index. So that's all my dear friend. Hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो समझ आया हो, OEE का क्या मतलब होता है, उसका basic definition, calculation. Still you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section. I will reach out to you. And that's all for today. Till then, like, follow, and subscribe my YouTube channel, The Learning Vibe, and keep learning. And see you in my next YouTube video. Bye.